Are you struggling with ClickFunnels 2.0? Well, in this video, we're going to cover how to use a pre-made funnel inside ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's hop into my ClickFunnels account right now, and I'll show you how. Well, now I'm logged into my ClickFunnels 2.0 account. I'm going to click on Sites and Funnels. I'm going to head over to Funnels on the left-hand side here. And I'm going to do New Funnel or Create Funnel. And we'll do this as, let's just go with Premade is what I'll call it. And I'll create funnel. This is going to allow us to quickly put up a nice looking funnel. So I'm going to click the plus button here. I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go with just one of these built-in ones. So you can see there's lots of different things here. So I'm going to show you the ones that are currently built into ClickFunnels 2.0. They have got a bunch of opt-in forms. They've got some thank you pages. They've got some sales pages. They've got some order forms. They currently have some webinar registration pages. They've got some challenge funnels. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to start with an opt-in page. And I'm just going to choose this one. And we'll go with opt-in. And I'll say create page. Now I can edit the page here. And here we go. We've got a nice looking page right now. We can save that. We can put our email address up here. We can change our logo just by clicking on it and replacing what that file is for the logo. We can edit the elements here. Like this picture is pretty cool, but we could put our own picture. Like here's a pop-up element, and you can change stuff by hovering over to you can show what the pop-up looks like, and you can even edit the settings for the pop-up. So you can change the forms here. Like this is an opt-in form for this one. So there's all sorts of fun stuff. I mean, you can add your own sections. You can delete things. You can replace stuff. It gives you a really good starting point for your funnels just by using one of these pre-made templates inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Thanks for watching my ClickFunnels training. Now, if you'd like to join the #1 funnel mastermind and get your hands on a bunch of other cool tools and training, click the link underneath this video right now. Thanks for watching my ClickFunnels training. Now, if you'd like to join the #1 funnel mastermind and get your hands on a bunch of other cool tools and training, click the link underneath this video right now.